Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to link Instagram to TikTok account. Unlock the power of cross promotion by adding your Instagram to your TikTok account. This allows you to share your creative content across platforms and reach a wider audience. Let's walk through the simple steps to make this happen. First of all, open up your TikTok app and navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Once you're there, look for the edit profile option and give it a click. Now scroll down until you find the links section. Click to add Instagram link in here and you'll be promoted to log into your Instagram account. Otherwise, get back to your TikTok profile and tap on share profile. Now from here, tap to copy the link of your TikTok profile and navigate to the Instagram app. Once you get into your Instagram account, go into your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap to edit profile from here. Now from your edit profile page, click on the links option and choose the add external links option from here. Then paste the link to your TikTok account which you copied earlier. After that, enter the title of it. Once you've added both title and link, click on done. Then the link will be added to your Instagram profile which will be linked to your TikTok account. After successfully linking, your Instagram icon will appear on your TikTok profile. Now, your TikTok followers can easily find and follow your Instagram account by clicking on the Instagram icon on your TikTok profile. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.